Hey, seventh graders, it's Workin' Wednesday. It's week 12. In our book, we are on page 339 to 341 in topic 7, lesson 1. I'm going to explain your assignment to you. I'm going to read you some text, but just a reminder that this needs to be submitted through Schoology so that I can see it and I can give it a grade. Okay, so to get to Schoology, log on to Schoology, go to courses, go to our science class. It should look something like this. Please click on materials on the left-hand side. I circled it in red. And after you click on materials, scroll to the very bottom of the page. It's going to look like this right now. Our assignment is called Population Growth Chart. I highlighted it in yellow, and friendly reminder that your week 11 quiz was your work from last Friday, so make sure you're keeping up with that. Almost done, guys, so try as hard as you can, all right? All right, so what is your homework for today? Well, you're going to look at the population growth chart attached to this assignment. It also can be found in textbook page 341. Here's what it looks like. And you're going to use this chart and the text that I'm going to show you next to answer the following questions. And the questions are, number 1, what country has the highest population growth rate? Number 2, which country has the lowest population growth rate? Number 3, which countries do you think have a birth rate higher than death rate? Remember, birth rate is just the amount of babies being born into a population in a certain period of time. Which countries do you think have a death rate higher than birth rate? So that means that the number of deaths is greater than the number of new individuals or babies coming into the population. Okay, and you're using the chart and the text that I'm going to read to you next. Let me tell you what you need before we go any further. So you need to answer all 4 questions. And you're listing today, so don't worry about complete sentences. When I ask for a list, I just want answer, answer, answer. So we don't need a sentence today. There are no sentence starters. It is short and sweet. Just remember that you are submitting on Schoology. I'm going to read the text next. All right, so here is our text. Population growth rate is a tool to see how a nation's population is growing and changing. Growth rate is measured in percentage and can be either positive or negative. If the growth rate is positive, that means there are more births than deaths, and the population is increasing. If the growth rate is negative, then more deaths are occurring than births, and the population is decreasing. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you back here tomorrow.